Okay, so I'm in the So let's try it again. Oh, come on! Wait. No, sit me. Change. Just good, 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 good. Huh? Good, good. Huh? Huh? Okay. Oy, prayer. Call. Wait. Call. Ah! Call. I. Y. T. Ayun. Ay, T. Done. Yeah! Let's go! Now this is much better. Ah! Oh, come on. Oh, Kokoroko. Blah, blah. I don't like that chicken, bro. Okay. Okay, the next one is Infinite Nighted Freddy's, and I will be speaking in Tagalog right now, okay? I will be speaking in Tagalog. You know why? Because my friends is coming. Or my cousins. Yeah. Promise. And we are Tagalog right now. Like Nico. Yeah, Nico is Tagalog or Filipino. I will fry you. Bro, hitbox is super duper good. Oh, come on, what is this? Intelligence. Okay, thank you. Stick me to dash. Okay, so another one. One hand. You can see. Come on. You can see I have one. Oh, come on. I cannot take it. My phone is... Oh! I have one hand. Let's go. Oh no, no! Much better. One hand is not good right now. My one hand is not good. Once. This is the hard part. So I could have this. Okay. Okay. Ay, wala. Back on track. Wala. So. Oh, yeah. This is another. Wow. Wow, cool. Okay. So, this way. This is the tower. So I thought, oh yeah, these are disappearing blocks, like in no block now. Oh come on! Disappearing blocks. The checkpoint. Collect all the coins to continue. Super duper good to hear. Kaboom! Oh, this is the hard part. Go! Ah! Right, another one. Okay, good. I'm choking right now. Oh, come on. That hitbox is. Go. This is the strategy for me. I will collect all the coins. But I will not collect all the coins. Yeah, if you die, the coins will just restart. So you can collect. Oh yeah, I forgot. First try. I knew it. Literally not first. Come on! Woo! Oh. There are circles. Okay, good. Okay, good again. Okay, I cannot grab what? I forgot. Oh, come on! Yeah! I would collect all the coins, but I cannot. Okay, good. Jump! Boom! Jump! Ah! Yes, leave it. Just leave it again. Ah! Just wait. Go! Wait, go! Wait. Go! And what? No. No. Okay. Not again, please. I see you. Hey, I see you. Not scary. Come on. You. Come on, what you doing? No, plus. Okay, go again. Hello? I cannot go. Oh, come on, why are you shaking? Oh, I have to collect. Okay, we start. The tower. Yeah, blah, blah. Okay, go. And first try, let's go. Come on! So, they did not restart, right? Yep, they did not restart. So, I've collected all of the code. No? Okay, sorry. Oh, come on! Where's all the coins? There's 22 coins, so... Yeah, come on. I failed this, bro. Please, just come on. Mamma mia, no. Okay, this is the one. The part 1 of the part 1. Okay, good. Okay, but why? Why did I jump here? And there? And kaboom, and kabow, and kaboom, and kabow, 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 kaboom, kabow, kaboom, kabow, kaboom. So. I would. If I just completed this, I would be amazed. Okay. Oh! Oh! Maze! Okay, good. Now this is the hard part again. Wait, this is easy. Ah! Not easy. Go. No. No go. No. Wait. Okay, go. No. Okay, another one. No. Go. Yes. Go. Wait, no. Go! Okay. I'm the legend of tofu. I'm the legend of tofu. Ah! First, unlock secondary color. Okay, good. No good. Ah! Good. Oh, I think I died. No. Good. No. Good. No. Good. No. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. What? Why? Oh, thank you. Oh, mama. I think I didn't die, so it's good. It's good for me, but it's not good for me. Very good. Okay, mama. Very good. It isn't good for me. Come on! Good. Nope. Not good. Okay? Kaboom. Kabam. Kabang. Kabap. Kabam. Kapum. Kapaw. Kawala. Wala. I said nothing. It's in Tagalog, okay? So, I will be careful in this one. I cannot be careful. So, what should I do? Just come on. How do I get two. Okay, another one. Okay, good. Another one. Okay, good. Okay, good. Good. Okay, good. No, good. Okay, good. No. Okay, good. Good. So I will just jump here. Kaboom! Died. Wasted. A lot of time. Come on. Okay, good. Nope. Not good. Good. Okay. I just got it. Oh, come on. So this is not unusual. Okay, good. And my brothers is coming at Yep, it's 10. Okay. It's 10. Or cousins. I don't know what I'm doing here, but yeah. Just jump. Is this not good for me? Why is this a hollow block? Why is this a yo? I hate this. Yeah, I hate this. I hate this. Ah! The tower. I don't like. Back on track. I'm not bad at it. Just do it. You thought. Only 25, bro. It's okay. It's so laggy. I don't have many focus. I'm sorry. Okay. We got a lucky. So that's 1% to 100. Okay. Just come on, just come on, just come on. Palagalicious. Palagalicious. Come on! Oh yeah. 12. The best. Why did I die at that moment? Exact moment. I'm not a pro, but it's okay. Mama. I just downloaded it, okay? I joke. I don't use this anymore because I'm not a competitive player right now. Okay. One hand. Oh, nope. Not one hand. Not one hand. Promise. Huh? What did I upload it? I just wanna watch someone kissing it and the Gumata does ruin my day. Sorry, Pillow. Wait just a sec. Crunchy chicken. Okay. But I was trying to get chickens in this channel. I spent 30 minutes. Hey chicken, you wanna lose your wife? Yeah. That's where I talk. Just joking. I'm eating bread. I just... What? Push bike. Come on. I can do it. I have 2 cousins coming and 1 cousin just in my room. They're sleeping right now. Woo! No! New best 26. I have to. Okay, another one. Until I hear the motorcycle sound. A motorcycle is clicked, so I can remember my. I hate this. New best 9. Wow. Super duper cool. Super duper not cool. Just. I'll just get my lucky pet. Okay, lucky pet. Hey guys, I got my lucky pet now because here, come on. Okay, I cannot show my lucky pet, but this is my lucky pet. I guess yes. This is my lucky pet right there. You say hi. Fluffy, say hi. Say hi, Fluffy. I see. And this is my pet, Fluffy. Fluffy, you Fluffy. This is my lucky. So yeah. You can see my hair here. You can see my hair, but like lucky pet. Ulak na siya pa. Yeah. I didn't watch it, okay? So it's gonna be 30. And you're not my lucky pet, brothers. Don't kokorokok anymore. My lucky pet. My lucky pet. You will be out soon in the wild. Baby. You scared? You're scared of the dark, okay? Yes, come on. She's a baby, okay? This is my lucky pet. Not Gray. Gray is just... He almost bite me, bro. And this cat is super duper gentle. And within 30 minutes I would end. Oh, stretching. Not good. Okay, this is the end. Bye, guys. Wait. Anyway. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video in the Filipina Banana. Bye guys. Bye.